Hi everyone, in this video session I would like to discuss the Java code for MedSort. Here I will explain it very clearly. If you have any doubts, comment below. Now I am using Eclipse IDE for Java code for running and for compiling. It is very easy, so you can use your best IDE for your Java code. Here I am using Eclipse. Now coming to the new, I am creating a new class by name of MedSort and I would like to save it in the folder of Java. So here I created a class named as public class MedSort. Here in this, first I would like to write the match method, and next after that I would like to write about sort. After sorting we will declare the main class of the MedSort. So now let us declare the method for match, void match. So here in this I am taking an array. Here this array is of length from left and for mid and for right. Here this left shows the lower index of the array and the right shows the upper index of the array. So for calculating when we are dividing this array into two halves, so for the left subarray the array size will be some, I am taking it as n1, and that value will be equals to mid minus left plus 1. Here it value is equals to mid minus left plus 1, and int for right subarray I am taking int n2 is equals to that means right minus mid. So here n1 shows the left subarray size and n2 shows the right subarray size, and so in order to take the elements of the left subarray and right subarray, I am calling two new arrays, int for left subarray lof and l value is equals to new int half. Here in this with half size n1. Next int right subarray, that is capital R of, that equals to new int of n2. Here the size of the right subarray is n2. Next for taking the elements of left subarray and right subarray, I am taking for loop for int I equals to 0, I must be less than n1, I plus plus, and in this I would like to call the elements capital L of I is equals to array of L plus I, that means left plus I here, and for right subarray for int I equals to mid, for int j equals to 0, j must be less than n2 j plus plus. Here for taking the elements into the right subarray equals to array of, from where the elements have to be copied, from n2. From n2 we have to copy the elements. Here from n2 means array of m, that means mid plus 1 plus j. So here the values of right subarray will be called from mid plus 1 of this array. In this array, from mid plus 1 to up to n2, that means right
Hi everyone.
right array, that means higher higher value, higher array value, up to that the value will be stored in R of j. And for comparing the values of left subarray and right subarray, I am taking while loop. Here in this while loop I will take I must be less than or equals to 1 and j must be less than or n2. So in this case only the elements will be copied into the
Hi everyone. In this video session
new array. Here before this I want to take new elements, that is int I equals to some
now I am using
0
Eclipse IDE for
and
Java code for running
the
and
int
for compiling it is very easy.
int
So you
j
can use
equals
your
to 0 and
best IDE
int
for your Java code.
k
Here I am
equals
using
to some
now
left
coming to the new,
left.
I am creating a
Left
new
means
class
nothing but 0,
by
from
name
it
of
starts from
method
0.
sort.
So for while loop, if
Sort.
if you consider
I
that
would like to
capital L of I is less than
save it in
capital R of j, that means if L of I is less than R of j, then array
video
of k is equals to
named as public class method. Here
capital
in
L
this first I would
of
like to write the med
I. Sorry, here I forgot to lay the brackets. Next here,
and next
after that I have to, when the value of left subarray is copied into array of k, so I have to incremented I value.
Let us
Next after that
method
else
void
else
match.
means array of
here in
k
this
is
taking
equals
array.
to right subarray.
Here this
That
array
means
is
the value.
of length
Next I have
and
incremented
from
it
left
by
and
1.
for
I have to I incremented left subarray value and right subarray value, so I should have to increment the array of k values, that means temporary array. So here I am taking temporary array of k. So when I put an element into this temporary array, so in order to increment that value, so I am incrementing it by 1.
this array
So here I take it.
so
After that,
for the left subarray the array
if there are
size
any
will
remaining
be
elements,
some, I am taking it as n1 and
that elements will be
value
copied here.
will be equals to mid minus left plus 1. Here it value is equals
So,
to mid minus
array
left
of
plus 1
k
and
is
int
equals to
for right
capital
subarray I am taking int n2 is equals
Sorry.
to
of I,
that means right
and I have to increment it by
minus
1 and k value has to be incremented. Sorry.
so here n1 shows
So
the
here
left
this is for
subarray
left
size
subarray
and n2 shows
and
the
for
right
right
subarray
subarray.
size.
While j must be less than n2, array of
New
k is equals to capital R of
here.
J, and I have to increment J value, and also I have to increment K value. I think so. These two values are used to copy the remaining elements in the left and left and right subarrays, and here it is used for comparing the left and right subarrays. So after completion of this whole merge, I am writing void. For sorting the given array, I am taking void sort int array comma int I must left be less than n1 I plus int, and right.
I would like to call the elements.
Here I am taking an array of
Capital L
length from left to right
is equals to.
So after
array
this
of
I am taking the loop if L means left value is less than right, that means the array is not empty. So in that case int mid is equals to left plus right divide by 2. So here we are calling if the array value is less than is not empty, that means the array element is more than 1, then we have to find the mid element. So in order when we find the mid element, we can sort it very easily. So for sort, again I am calling sort left and mid. So here it will call the function sort, that means left subarray will be called here, and for sort array mid plus 1 and comma right. For comparing it is very right subarray. For merging easy, so I have to return the value to merge.
That's ID for
array
your Java code. Here I am using
left.
Now coming to
mid
the new, I am creating a new class by name of
you understood it.
merge sort.
So after completion of sort, now calling of our main
I would
class,
like to save it in the folder of
Java public static void video.
So here
And
I created a class named as public class merge sort. Here in this first, I would like to write
in this main function
merge method, and next after
I will
that I
call
will write about sort.
in this main function I will
we
call
declare
the array value int
main class
array
of
of that equals to. So in the previous video I discussed about the merge sort. In that video I discussed an example, so I am taking that example only. 2 1 0 3 4. So I am calling this array, and for printing this array, system dot out dot print ln. This is an unsorted array. Sorted array. So here for printing the unsorted array, for int I equals to 0,
let us check where the errors are present.
I must be less than. Here I value must be less than the array length. So here I value must be less than array length, and gth, and I must have to be incremented, and here for so system dot out dot print ln. Here I will print array
Okay, let us
of
check
I.
where the errors are present. And here.
I
First,
think you
let us
understood
go
it.
to here.
For printing the array,
Okay.
for printing the sorted array, I am taking a new scanner match sort sum n is equals to new match sort of. So here to scan every value, and here it will return to the methods, that means functions, remaining function, that is merge function and the sort function. Here the values will be returned to them. So merge sort. After that I have to print the values. System dot. Hi everyone, in this video session I would like to discuss the Java code for merge sort. Here I will explain it very. So for sorted array, system.out.println sorted array. Before that I have to write something. N dot sort of array left and right. I think so you understood it. Here the main useful of this application is it will copy it directly. So system.out.println sorted array. So here I will call this sort. The value has to be come from 0 to array length minus 1, because in this main method I have to give the value. So I wrote that n dot sort array 0 to array length minus 1, that means up to the highest value. For printing the sorted array, for I equals to 0 int I equals to 0, I must be less than array length and I plus plus. For sorting this, system dot out dot print ln for sorted array of I. First I would like to write the merge method, and next after that I would like to write about sort.
I think any
After sorting
errors.
we will declare the main class of the merge sort. So now, and I have to save it, and now I will compile it. If there are any errors it will show. Here there are some errors. At 65, merge sort n is equals to new merge sort of. What the mistake here? And so again I am compiling it. Java code for
Here
running and
sorted array is printed,
for compiling it is very
the
easy.
sorted array
So
has to
you
be
can-
printed.
and for
Okay, let us check where
Wait.
the errors are present.
and for right
Here.
here
First,
this left shows the lower index of the array and the right shows the upper index of the array. So for calculate,
Oh, the array is printed. Here the unsorted array is given and the sorted array is in the ascending order from lower to higher.
So first 0 is printed, next 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So we get an output. I think so you understood it very clearly. If you have any doubts, comment below and share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.